Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use the non-multivariate uh, linear non-linear regression methods to analyze the data in the QSAR study. In these papers, the author use different methods, especially they use non uh, non-linear regression methods to predict the IC50. In here, as you can see, the author mentioned in the methods, uh, they use multiple non-linear regression methods by the XLATST, including Excel file, and they apply the polynomial model for the second order to build the QSAR model. So in here, I have my data. I have my data here. If you follow my previous paper, previous videos, you can see I have around 33 compounds, and I split the data into two data sets. The first is training sets, around 26%, 20 compound around 80%, and around 7 compound is 20% of data to the testing sets. Here my outcome the IC50, and I have around 8 covariates, covariates. So let me here I delete here, and I will include this data in my video, and you can practice. In here you need to go to the modeling. The first one, if you don't have the XLATST in your Excel file, you need to go to the Google, and you try XLATST download, and you click the XLATST 14-day free trial, and then here you can download for your computer. Depend your computer is Windows or Mac, you can download, and after that you run, and you can see additional function in your Excel file. And here after that you run, and you can click the modeling data, and here you can see non-linear regression model. And after that you can choose here, right? And you can see here is dependent variables. This is dependent variable. It means that your outcomes. The outcome in here I will align in the training set. So I select the PIC 50% in the training set, and I click OK and click enter. After that, for the we adjust for the covariate. I click here for a covariates until the training set, and I click enter. Very important here, you need to click the variable labels, because the first round here is label, not data, right? So the second one is you need to go to function. As I mentioned before, right? In this paper, they use the polynomial model with second order to build the QSAR model. So in here I select the function, and I click the polynomial equation, and I check the second order, and they will show you the equation like the same here, right? Y with equal a0 plus gamma ai multiple blah blah, some kind of thing like that. So after that you click variation in here, because I only predict PIC 50%, so I did not click use the variation or prediction in here, because our data don't have any missing, so I just click remove the observation. And in here the outputs, here I will show the whole information, whole yeah, results from this model, so I click the whole one. So after that I click OK, and after they run, and as you can show you a lot of information, right? The first they will show you the summarized sticks. Here they summarize you the mean of PIC, maximum of PIC, and mean and standard deviation of PIC, and they have around a compound similar with a covariates. And here they show you the correlation matrix between PIC and a covariate. The next one they will show a more important one is in this here, like the same this paper they report in it papers. they in the multiple regression model, right? The first they will show you the equation, and they estimate R square, MSE, RCV, something like that, and they also report, MSE in here. This table will show you the MSE, EFE, or IMSE, right? And you go down a little bit, and you can see this model also show you the equation of model, and these show the QIC 50, similar with him, similar with the paper. The very important one you need to highlight, and you can publish in your you one and publish in your paper, and here, and also EME, ESE, and the last one is the next one is this model also predict for you around this column, very important, because they predict you for this is the original PIC in your data, and here they predict the PIC 50 percent, like the same big paper. In here they also report the original data, and the multiple non-linear regression. They also show the prediction of PIC 50%. In here you can and the last one they will show you the graphs like these papers, and you can copy the graphs for your papers. The here for prediction PIC 50%, and here PIC 50%, and the last one here, we need to show the R square like him, right? You can see here he needs to show the R square, but in here the statistic model they did not show you the R square. So in here the tips to show the R square, you need to click on the data, and you right click and you add the trend line. After that you go down here, and you can see display R square, and after that they show you the R square here, and after that you can report the data like the paper. So in this video I will show you how to use the multiple multivariate nonlinear regressions, and in here we need to remember that we need to choose the polynomial model and second order, and we have this equation, and we report MSE, MS, NSI, NSE, MSE, and RMSE. And here you need to report the observation compound here, and PIC original from your data, and predict PIC 50%, and this is the graphs. So how the correlation relationship between PIC 50% prediction and PIC 50% in your data. So I hope this video will help you figure out how to use multivariate non-linear regression in the XLATST. Thank you for watching.